Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. I'm MG.
I'm Samantha.
She's my younger sister. And for today's vlog, mag-ano kami na makeup challenge. And meron tayong mga gamit ni Sasam na mga pang makeup. It's not complete. It's just iilan lang. Tinali ko yung buhok ko para hindi siya nakalaglag. Okay, what's the first we can use? You know, I'm not good in makeup. Talaga ako. What are we going to use? What the first? Full ball? Can you please get my small mirror in my bag?
This is it?
No, small mirror only. I'm gonna try this. It's mascara.
Ba't di ka muna naglagay niyan para mo... Next?
What's the next? What is this for? Huh? What is this for? It's foundation liquid. Oh yeah, makeup foundation. Whitening skin.
Nice.
Let's try this.
Okay na nga yan. May laman ba yan?
It's quite even though it's raining outside.
Then next comes...
Concealer. What about this? It's also foundation.
Diba?
Sana yung pang-ano mo? Ito ba yun?
Eyeliner.
Yeah. Paano ba to? Paano ba to gamitin?
Pa ganun.
Ikaw nga, try mo nga sa'yo.
Mamaya hindi pa ako tapos eh. Ay.
Hindi ako marunong maglagay nito. Paano ba to?
Mamaya.
Aray ko, natutok lang ako. Lakas loob. Hindi talaga ako marunong mag-makeup. Bakit ka na nilagyan mo? Bakit hindi yung dito? Try ka. Huwag ka malikot yung gel.
Pambura ko.
Ano yan? Ako naman. Gel, huwag ka malikot.
Then, okay, remove